According to Brueggemann, there are 4 levels of human problems to be considered. Straightforward problems, clear problems, but problems with unclear solutions, contentious problems with clear means of resolution, and social problems where there is disagreement both about the problem and the means of resolution. This chapter will explore definitions of social problems and will encourage you to define them from a personal perspective. Brueggemann will introduce 5 theories that macro-social workers use to understand the nature of social problems. These are organizational deviance, intergroup conflict, institutional deviance, systems deviance, and social cultural premises. Finally, the author will discuss a continuum of problem-solving approaches that work as contrasted with those that don't work. Your input in Module 4 will include reading Brueggemann Chapter 4, reading Gordon Perkins Chapter 4, watching 3 interesting and informative videos, completing Exercise 4.5, participating in the discussion board, and taking a 10-minute 10-question Quizlet that measures the knowledge you've garnered in this module. My objectives for you in Module 4 are to learn about the 4 levels of human problems, to explore the definition of social problems, to challenge you to discover your own definition of social problems, to discover the 5 theories that macro-social workers use to help them understand social problems, and finally to understand the continuum of social problem-solving approaches, especially those that don't work. I'm hoping that watching the 3 videos, your reading of Brueggemann will be greatly enhanced. The 3 models presented in the video come from very different ways of thinking about how to deal with social problems. The first is Shane Claiborne, a new monastic from Philadelphia. The second is an established Christian community development ministry in the southwest side neighborhood of Chicago called Lawndale. Lawndale Community Ministries has been around for a long time and does some very innovative things. But finally, you'll see Father Boyle, a Catholic priest who works with gangs out on the West Coast, doing some very innovative things, including Homeboy Industries, which has a bakery, tattoo removal, a small cafe, and more. For our discussion this week, we're going to look at Brueggemann's 5 suggested theories to explain the etiology of social problems. Again, those are organizational deviance, intergroup conflict, institutional deviance, systems deviance, and social cultural premises. Which of these comes closest to a Christocentric biblical worldview? Or is it an amalgamation of several that make that happen? Justify your answer using scripture and Christian thinking. Critique your classmates in a loving and winsome way. And remember that I'm looking for an essay style, a minimum of 3 paragraphs, 3 sentences each. Let's turn this into an exciting enough discussion that maybe it becomes the basis of a scholarly paper, and who knows? Maybe you'll become famous in the process. As always, I'm available for your questions, comments, thoughts, ideas. You can reach me via email, kbrown@nobts.edu, by phone, 816-8305, or in my office in the Leek McGee Center. Feel free to call me. I am here at your disposal and really want to hear what you have to say. Looking forward to reading the stuff that you put on Blackboard this week, and let's have a great week. I'll see you next week for Module 5. Bye-bye.